What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube video, and today I will be unboxing my new sewing machine. Now, I did not pay for this. Hold on. So, right here I have my 2023 vision board. Now, as you can see, you probably can't see that. I'll probably have to zoom in. But right here is this exact sewing machine. So I told y'all, vision boards work. Today is February the 1st, and I got this 2 days ago. I did not pay for this. Somebody gifted me this because they like my content, they believe in what I'm doing. And yeah, so they gifted me this for free. Even though I had it on my vision board that I wanted one this year, I was going to actually pay for one. I didn't have to pay for one. So now all I got to worry about getting is a serger. And that should be here. I should be getting that next month. I'm paying for that. But yeah, technically I'm not paying for it, but I'm paying for it. But yeah. And I want to, give out his full name. He gifted me, I don't even know, I didn't even count. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sewing patterns. From jackets to sleepwear to coats to hoodies, jogging pants, shorts. 10 free patterns. And these cost money. And I didn't have to pay for these. So he told me it was some needles inside the box. So yeah, I do want to say I appreciate it. I thank you. I already talked to him. But I really, really appreciate it. I never met this person a day in my life. So yeah, I'll be unboxing my new sewing machine today. As you guys, I still have my old one right here. She's been with me for, this will be 5 years. This year makes 5 years. So yeah. Time to put, I don't think I'm you know what, and eventually I will be looking for somebody like to work for me. But that's like, once business starts to get crazier than I can handle. It is already crazier than I can handle. But maybe I'll have the person that's working with me use this sewing machine. But that's in the future. It could be soon, but I don't see it happening soon, but the universe may say otherwise. But yes, today I'll be unboxing this. Is the Singer 4411 heavy duty machine. I seen this all over TikTok. Everybody uses this machine. Now, it was never really a desire for me or a major thing for me to get a new machine, but I just felt like I needed a heavy duty machine. That's all. This one still works perfectly fine. It has no issues with it, but I just felt like I needed something, more heavy duty or that looked better, in my opinion. Like I said, that one still has no problem. But I'm going to unbox this machine. I actually got to stand up for this. And the way this camera is cropped in, y'all might not be able to see me. So, here's the extra needles that he gave me. He gave me ballpoint needles and stretch needles. So, yeah, I need some more ballpoint needles because you can never have too many of those. And here is the power supply and foot pedal. If you haven't seen my vision board video, go back and watch that. But if you haven't seen my video that I break down all the tools that come in your sewing machine, and I told y'all that most of that stuff come in the sewing machine, this is pretty much what I'm doing this unboxing for, to show y'all everything that you will be getting in the sewing machine, to let you know that you technically don't really have to buy a lot of stuff. So you do. Don't get me wrong, you do. But yes. But I do want to thank you guys. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. After 5 years of being back and forth, on and off of YouTube, I am so grateful that I hit. I thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. I hit 1,000 subscribers today. Yeah. So I'm trying to, like I said, I'm trying my best to stay consistent. It ain't easy. It's not easy at all. But that's an excuse. So I'll try my best to stay consistent. My goal for the end of this year is 5,000. So I'm going to keep pushing out videos, helping anybody that needs help with content and stuff like that. I did get a lot of questions on like a short that I posted about my sewing patterns. If you guys are interested in my sewing patterns, just hit the link in the description and go to my website and just scroll down, and you should see my sewing pattern for my shorts and my crew necks. So yeah. But back to the sewing machine unboxing. So there's the sewing. This is the power cables, and now you have the sewing machine. So, what is this? You have a free beginner class. I guess you have a, my bad. You have a free beginner class pamphlet. This is a this is a $100 value. So if any, I don't know how to put that on there. If anybody wants this, you can have it. A free sewing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you guys want this, I don't know if you can see that. I don't even know what you have to put in. I guess this information here. But yeah, if you want that, go ahead. Let me show you the back, just in case. If you want to take the class, go ahead. But a lot of people ask me, how am I so good at sewing? I don't technically consider myself good at sewing. I'm still learning. Every Friday I take sewing classes. So yeah, every Friday I sit down and watch an hour-long video about sewing classes for the most part, and take notes and see what I'm doing wrong and see what I can improve on. So it's always learning. Oh, I'm sorry. This came with a duster case. I guess that's what it is, like a cover case. I didn't get that from my other machine. So yeah. And here are all the tools that I told you about in the last video. And here's some more paperwork. Here's a manual guide. Don't need that. Okay. I hate this thing on this. Because on this one, I hate this thing so much. Watch this. It does that every time. You can just, this one just, oh my God, that's going to make everything so much better. I hate that. So, what is this? This is, comes with a 20% off coupon for an iron. I might keep that because I do need a sewing iron. And here's another user manual. So yeah, and this was just protecting that. So everything that comes in here, I don't want to lean on this. But here's the machine. It looks very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. I think I can pick this up with my arm. Here it is. Here it is. It's not nothing too crazy from my it's literally the same controls, the same dials, it's literally the same machine. It just looks different. But other than that, like I said, it's literally the same machine. The same machine. But the tools that you get are you get extra needles. You get pretty much everything. You get the little screwy tools. You get more. I need more bobbins. You get the zipper foot. You get the small brushes. That goes up there. You know, you get the seam ripper. That's what I think. I don't think I said that in my last video. I don't think I said that in my last video. You need a seam ripper. The ones that they have is okay. They decent, but I would recommend getting a bigger one. So yeah, this is like to get the lint, clean the machine. Me, I'm about to start investing in pressurized air because these things get a lot of lint in them, and you have to clean them out to make sure you know, keep them working at their peak performance. So yeah, Here's all the tools. It's literally the same thing that I showed you guys in my last video. Same thing. So, yeah, I guess I'll wrap up the video right here. But I will be putting my baby girl to rest because she has worked a long life. She has slaved and she has broken down. Not broken down, but the needles have broken and everything. But again, I do appreciate the gift. If you're watching this video, this will be treated well, very well, because it looks very nice. Just the square design, and it just looks very nice. But I'll end this video right here. I want to say thank you again for everybody that subscribed. If you aren't already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, please. I do appreciate it. Like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.